Several days later.
Alright, so this is a couple days later. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it took me 2 hours to get that out of there. My boy's over helping me. He's under the car. He's putting the test pipe in now. Hey buddy,
fuck you.
good friends, but I got his ass under there putting in the test pipe. I have one more screw to get off down there. It's all the way under. I'm actually under the car trying to take it off. I'm gonna try to film it a little bit, but it's hard. But for the most part, to get these out,
No, you're cute. You got
it was hard. I'm not gonna lie. All right, we got part of the downpipe out, as you can see. Got through under the car. We still have to get this out. It's really hard getting to the bolt, the last bolt that's in the back there. So we had to take that out, get that out the way. There's a little heat shield that we had to take out to get to. And look who's back from the gauge video when we put in gauges.
Yeah, shitty gauges.
Jack. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it took us 2 hours to get this one out. It was hard. So it's just a bolt that you have to get off there, and I'm gonna show you what you gotta use to get it off. Only way you getting that shit off is if you use one of these 14 mil. We used this side and we just kept cranking at it, and it finally came off. We only had just these, and it was man hard to do it, but to have this end right here was a blessing. So we had to go buy this, but I'm about to return it and act like I never used it and get my money back.
We'll give it to Andre.
Drew, how's things down there? You being good?
Nah, I gotta fucking flip the test pipe.
Oh, told you. So weird. You should have.
There's no other way.
Can you push it or no? Not yet. Come over this way. Here we go. Wait, hold on. Gotta find the hole. Get that. Alright.
Oh, that motherfucker's huge!
What?
The fucking spider, bro.
It's a spider.
Look, this motherfucker's the size of my hand.
You're afraid of spiders?
I killed it. Never mind.
Alright, face it towards you now. Like, fix it. Working.
I just want that little nigga to bite.
You heard me?
I hear you. You need me to bring it towards me.
Dude, you just.
Put it in the hole, bro.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
It is.
Nigga, you gay.
Did you connect it?
Connect what?
It's in. The test pipe to it.
No. You gotta bolt that bitch up first.
This is the fun part, right, Andre?
All of this is the fun part.
Jack, can you give me a chair?
Yes, but oh my god.
Can you like lift it up? Yeah.
Lift.
Wait a second. Can you lift your side up for a second? There you go. A little more. You might have to
Put it in
switch.
the room here, bro.
You might have to switch. 'Cause my hands are too-
Did you hang that bolt?
Yeah, the one at the bottom, yeah. Trying to put in one on the top so I can secure it down at least. It's not going in. You want to switch?
No.
It'd be a lot better if you do.
Oh, so I could be up there aggravated working on it? Nope.
Oh my god. Pulled the car out, the downpipe and test pipe is in. I still, in another video, I'm gonna hook this up because you guys remember I put the sensor in. So everything is in, we put the heat shield back. It's looking good, but I'm gonna set the camera down so you guys can hear it, and I'm also gonna take you guys on a ride so you guys can also hear it.